Okay, shh. Organising basketball. Basketball is a popular sport in Marco's hometown, just like it is in St. James. He decided to organize a Friday night competition and involve as many of the local high school seniors as possible. He decided that he needed to learn how to construct a competition. Okay, so Marco found a six-team competition table. So if you look over here, you've got team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the weeks. These are the numbers for the teams. So what do the numbers in the table represent? So these numbers here will represent the team. So if you've got St. James Jaguars, they'll be 1s. If you've got St. James Tigers, they'll be 2s. If you've got Xavier Warriors, they'll be 5. Okay, so they represent the team names. It's a generic team competition. The teams are represented by the numbers. Team numbers, so down here where it says team, represent the teams, and the orange numbers here represent the weeks in the competition. So it's going to go over 5 weeks. Blue 5, can you see there is a blue 5, means that in the first week, team 3 will play team 5. Okay? And the blue 4 means that in the third week, team 5 will play team 4. Okay. If Marco has 6 teams in his competition, he just has to put the dates in place of the orange number. So you can just stick in his dates there and the team name. So you can actually put St. James Jaguars instead of the numbers. There you go. It's all done. He's got the whole thing recorded. All right, so go ahead and see if you can try one to yourself.